What's up, y'all? It's your boy, and today I want to talk to you about something different than what I normally speak to you guys about. I want to show you how I went from 0 views to over 10,000 views in less than 24 hours. Now, that may not sound like a lot to you guys, but what I did to get from 0 to 10,000 will blow your mind. But first, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And I want to send a shout out to a couple of people whose videos that I've watched to see exactly how this is done, because they preach what I'm about to tell you. And that shout out to my boy Robert Benjamin and Vibing with Sonia. They didn't pay me to say that, y'all. I'm just sending a shout out to them because they've helped me. So I want to show you this. As you can see, this is my channel. And if I click on dashboard, I'm going to take you into the video that I'm referring to. It is the LeBron James GOAT Discussion Explained video, where we talk about MJ versus LeBron. As you can see, you probably saw all the little flash on the video. I kind of like that. That's why I always like to click on dashboard. But the video has been up for 23 hours, 56 minutes, and is ranked #1 with 10,000 views. So it's gotten over 10,000 views in less than 24 hours. As you can see, my subscriber count is 1,040, which incidentally, I just got the majority of those within the last 2 weeks. So we are looking at this. So I just want to take you into the video analytics. So if I click on the analytics, you'll see gains 39 subscribers. It tells me as far as what my shorts feed and YouTube search, where the views are coming from, basically. But this is what I want to show you. So as you can see, the video was published last night. And these are just an hour blocks of 4, 8, 12 hours. So if I go to 4 hours, you can see the video only had 169 views. Even up to 8 hours, I think it was still under 1,000, which it was right at 7 hours, 40 minutes. For me, I typically get a lot more views within the first 8 hours. And we all know the line of doom, the flat line of doom, which, as you can see right here, the flat line of doom. But when I went here, I looked at the video and I saw that it was still under 1,000 views. It's like, oh, wow, man, this is crazy. So what I did, I decided that I'm going to change the title. So I went and I changed the title to LeBron James GOAT Discussion Explained. The original title that I had was LeBron James, Who's better, LeBron James or Michael Jordan? And I had hashtags LeBron James, Los Angeles Lakers, shorts, viral, trending, all of the same crazy tags that people use. But it didn't get me any views. Right around the 8-hour period, I actually changed that to this. I changed the title. And as you can see, from 8 hours up into, and it just started to take off. Take note here of the times. As you can see, the time was 4 a.m. And it starts to go and it's starting to take off. And so now it's right around 10,000, a little over 10,000 views. And yeah, the one thing I wanted to tell you as well, as you can see, the video is continuing to move up. As you can see here, you saw where it took off and it just kind of started going up, and more up. one other thing I wanted to show you was YouTube actually loves this number, and this number is how many people chose to view. So 78% of the people, as you can see, chose to view the video, and right around 22% swiped away. If that number is over 85 and 90, your video is probably gonna do pretty good. If it's hovering in or around 50, 60, it's not gonna do very much. So I wanted to just let you guys know that, show that to you, and let you know that the title and the description are two things that can help you with getting views as well as subscribers. As you can see the description here, I changed that. Join the debate on whether LeBron James is the GOAT in this viral short. I added Paris Olympics, ESPN, Team USA, and they suggested some other tags for me, and I just took advantage of that. Thank you guys for listening, looking at the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I thank you.